Hello vlog, welcome back to the vlog, welcome back to my channel. If you sense a sense of anger or disrage or disappointment or sadness this morning, you are correct. So, I am coming on the vlog this morning because I am super upset about something, but I'm taking it as a sign to make a YouTube video, and I also feel like I really need to talk to you guys right now because I have no one to talk to. So last night around 11:30 p.m. I was about to go to sleep and I was scrolling on Instagram. All of a sudden it gave me a message. This message was, "We're sorry, but something went wrong. Please try again later." So that's the message that I got as I was scrolling through my feed before I was like logged out here. If you guys know anything about me, first of all, I have my Vogue Society Boutique Instagram account, which is just for the business, and we use that to style photos, and I still try to be kind of personal on that, show my face all the time because I am like the face of our business, but I also have my personal Instagram too, which
I'm like a blogger, influencer, whatever. I hate those words, but
that's what I do, and I have collaborations that I work with different companies, and I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I get paid for those, and that's a part of how I make my living and pay my bills for this gorgeous apartment that we just moved into. Well, let me just tell you, I don't know what I did. Like, I don't know what I did. I was just scrolling and it gave me that message, okay? So then I'm like, okay, well, there must just be something wrong with Instagram. Like, is Instagram down again? Is this like the great Facebook crash of 2019 or whatever? So then I go over to my Vogue Society Boutique account and it's working fine. And I was like, okay. So then I go on my desktop, laptop, whatever, type in my credentials to log into Instagram, and it just says, oops, something went wrong. Oops, something went wrong. Like, it won't even let me, like, it lets me log in, because if I type in the wrong password, it like will just say you have a wrong password. But if I like type in my correct password, it just says, oops, something went wrong. So I'm like, oh shit. Like, literally, I was like, what the heck did I do? So I'm like, did I get banned from Instagram? Like, did I do something wrong? Like, I'm so confused. Like, I don't know what the heck I would have done, but like, did someone like report me? Like, I don't know. Like, I didn't know what happened. So anyways, then I went on Cody's phone. Cody's Instagram worked, still didn't log on to there. I tried re-downloading the app. I tried changing my password. I tried everything. Like, I found this like Reddit form that said that like, this is like literally, this one Reddit form was the only thing that I found that other people had the exact same message, because otherwise there was like similar messages that people were getting, but it wasn't the exact same thing that I was necessarily getting. So I like read this Reddit forum, and like this happened to all these people like a year ago or something like that. And these people were like, oh, there's nothing you can do. Like, they couldn't find any solutions. Like, nothing was working for them. And then like randomly one day, a few weeks later, like it let them sign back in. So I'm like, a few weeks, like, okay, my apologies. It's like super dark in my car right now, but I've got an update. We're back on the IG. So I'm sure if you guys are watching my vlog, you probably follow me on Instagram. But okay, basically what I had to do, and maybe if you're watching this vlog, you had like the same issue with your Instagram getting locked out. So I'll tell you what happened, and also it'll be helpful for you guys in the future. So basically, the problem was that I was getting a message that was like, try again later. Like, something went wrong, please try again later. And so a lot of people were getting an error message, like error, like your request can't be completed. And there was like a different fix for that, and like not a fix for like mine. So I found like one Reddit forum that kind of explained what to do, but it didn't work for a lot of people, and I couldn't figure out like how to do the thing that they were saying. So basically they were saying to set up the two-step authenticate. Why can't I say that word?
Two-step authentication. Okay.
So anyways, I thought I had that set up, and I'm pretty sure I do have it set up, but the problem was that I had on all the devices that I was signing in on, it wasn't like picking on the problem is that on all the devices I was trying to sign in on, I had signed in on those devices before. My phone, Cody's phone, my laptop, this computer at the store, like all of those things I've signed onto before. And what you needed to do was get that text to your phone to verify that it was you. And I don't think that Instagram didn't think it was me or anything. I just think that there was a glitch, and like for them to send me the code to my phone and for me to like enter that code, it was like a different way of like logging in. So it bypassed that like glitch, if you will. That's just what I think happened. But basically, like, it wasn't sending that code to my phone at any point because it just like was thinking I was signing in, and it was thinking that I was getting in the system. Okay, anyways, basically what I did was I just kept signing in to my account over and over again on different, like, I would open an incognito window and I would like try to sign in on there a lot, and Instagram kind of flagged me because it thought that I was hacking into my account, but I had to make it seem like I was hacking into my account so that way it would send the code to my phone. I don't know if that makes any sense at all, but once I got the code in and like typed it in, it worked, and holy, like, praise the Lord. Anyways, mom's calling me now. I'm driving home and I'll see you when I get home. Hello. Guys, so I'm home now and I wanted to kind of talk to you about kind of my failures of 2019 and then my goals for 2020. So basically my goals have kind of been the same for a while. Grow the boutique, any type of fitness like goals, like basically just staying in shape, being healthy, and then also like with my social media presence, growing my Instagram, my YouTube, stuff like that. I'm definitely someone who tends to spread herself way too thin, and I think a part of that is because like I just wanted to grow so much in 2019, and I think it kind of backfired on me a little bit. So in 2019, we had a lot of employees working at our store. We had a lot of inventory at our store. We did a lot of events for our store, and that just kind of like was so much for me to handle, and it took away from me like really doing like what I want. And so I had to go back to like my why. I mean, my why is just like my future family, my future finances, like everything like that is what my why is. And I want to eventually be, hi boomer, I eventually want to be like, I don't want to say a stay-at-home mom because like I don't want to be a stay-at-home mom. Like I want to be like a boutique owner, a blogger, like exactly what I'm doing now. Like I am doing what my dream is, but I don't want to be like kind of like stuck at a store all day and just like drowning in costs from the business and like stuff like that. I don't know how to really explain it, but basically like towards the end of 2019, I kind of like downsized. So we downsized our employees, we downsized our inventory, I downsized the amount of things that we were putting on our plate for like the holiday season. I don't know. Anyways, I definitely just got super overwhelmed in 2019, and I just didn't accomplish what I kind of wanted to accomplish last year. But the thing was that I learned so much. Like I learned so much last year, and I feel like it's putting me in the perfect position for the new year. So I know it is like 14 days into January, and I wanted to make this video literally on the 1st, but again, things were just crazy because we were moving and everything like that. So my goals for 2020 are basically the exact same things, but I want to focus in more on like the day by day, week by week, month by month picture rather than like my overall goal. So I feel like last year I was like super concentrated on like what my overall goal was for the year, which was, I mean, my overall goal for like life, and it just seems super overwhelming. And I think I need to take it baby step by baby step now and just kind of get to like that next step in all of the different areas of my life, because I do want to grow the boutique. And so basically I just have a little bit of a different strategy this year, which is a little bit of a less stressful strategy and a more profitable strategy. So I'm gonna kind of keep all that stuff, all the details, like kind of just to myself, because you probably don't want to be bored by those details. My dogs, it's like playtime for them. For my fitness goals, I really just like need to find like a balanced lifestyle. So in 2019, I really did not like diet at all, but it kind of backfired on me because in 2018 I did, my dog is drinking now. In 2018, I did Whole30, lost a whole bunch of weight, and then I kind of took that for granted and gained all of it plus more back. And so I was very unhappy. Anyway, so I was very unhappy with like my weight, and not just like my weight, but like obviously just the way I felt. Like my energy levels were super low. So my energy levels were super low, and I feel like that obviously just affects everything in your life. It affects your mood. So obviously your energy levels affect your mood. It affects like your productivity, and I feel like that was a big part of my like failures in 2019. And I don't want to like knock 2019. Like I did so much in 2019, and I learned so much, which is like amazing, that I'm definitely gonna bring into the new year. But basically what I'm saying is that like a lot, like my health wasn't like the best, and for me that's like a big deal because I struggle with panic attacks and anxiety really badly. So that in itself was just like not, it was not good for me, and that just definitely affected like everything, like not just my energy, but affected my productivity with like social media and my business and all of that kind of stuff. And then for the last part of what my goals are for 2020, because my dogs literally will not lay down. And lastly, for 2020, I'm really focusing on growing my personal brand, aka my personal Instagram, my personal YouTube, but not just like growing it. Like I'm really focused on the content that I put out there. I want to put out helpful, really high quality content, and really just growing my brand that way. And in turn, obviously that'll grow like the business. So I'm really like, my focus for this year is really to just like have very clear goals, a clear plan there, and for me to like not just like always be a big ball of stress, but to really just get to those goals in a less stressful and more like mindful way, if you will. One of the things I wanted to include in this video was a vision board, because last year, which I'll insert a clip of it, I did a vision board. I don't think I have it here. I think it's at the boutique. I did a vision board at the beginning of 2019, but that vision board was like my overall like life goals vision board. I knew for a fact that wasn't gonna happen in 2019, like 2 dream homes and stuff like that. No, but some of that stuff on my vision board, it did come true, and I'm working on all of those things, and so I think that's like amazing. So basically what I did this year, and I already printed out like the graphics for it, but what I did this year was I made a vision board for my goals for this year themselves. That way I could really focus on the everyday, like I said, everyday, week to week, month to month goals that I want to accomplish for the new year. So you'll see a little bit of smaller goals on there, and basically the way that I like to do my vision boards is to, first of all, I open up Canva. Canva is like the best thing ever. I use it for my boutique all the time. But if you use Canva, you can drag like screenshots of pictures from Pinterest. You can type in your own words, like if you have like mantras and stuff like that that you want to include, or just words of the year, goals with money, anything that you want to type in, you could like use type text into there. And then what I like to do is go on Pinterest and on Instagram, and I'll go on people like that have awesome feeds and like that I look up to, and you'll see like different bloggers or celebrities or whoever on my vision board, just because like it might not be like, oh, I want to be like that person, but it might be something like a photo that they took that I really liked, or just like their vibe in general that I really like, and I kind of like want to that I aspire to be. I don't know, I don't want to copy them, but you know what I'm saying. So I will take different pictures, and I like to do this because I feel like when a lot of people create vision boards, they cut stuff out of a magazine, but that is so limited, you guys. Like that is so limited, and it takes a while. Like go after what you want on the internet, print out exactly what you want. Just I just print it out from my printer, and then I get a poster board and I just tape everything on there. So I will show you the finished product and a little bit more about my vision. So I have all my printouts here of the different things, pictures that inspire me, people that inspire me, words that inspire me, maybe some products that I would love to get. So let's just get right into it. I'm going to tape all of this with double-sided tape. I feel like that's like the easiest thing to do. And I also got this big poster board. I just got it from like Walmart or whatever. And I like to make it blue just so it's not as boring with the white background. Okay guys, so here is my completed vision board. Like I said, might not be complete because I might add some things in here if anything kind of pops up over the year. But as you can see, like I have these reminders for each other, or reminders for myself. I included a few pictures of like things that I loved from like the past year, or things that like I did dream of and like have came true. So it kind of reminds myself that your dreams are attainable. Like I said, I put like pictures of some of my favorite bloggers and their photos in here just because they inspire me and I love like their like whole vibe. I also included some products that I would like love to get, but let me just be clear, like these products aren't like I'm gonna kill myself to get these products. It's kind of just something that I would love to like have enough money to buy and like not break my bank, if you know what I'm saying. So yeah, and then I just have some numbers which are kind of like personal to me or whatever, but yeah, you can do whatever you want with your vision board. And I also included some pictures of home decor and stuff like that too. So I am excited to crush these goals, you guys. I would love if you would tag me in your vision boards that you made. Oh, there you go, there's my vision board for 2020. Today has been such a crazy day with the whole Instagram situation and also with, I mean, I just like filmed this video, I'm doing the vision board. So really guys, I'm just trying to catch up from our move. I feel like moving takes so much energy, so much time, and it's been a lot of work moving, but that's why I'm making this video like 14 days late from when I wanted to make it. But honestly, like it's not too late to ever set goals. It's not too late to ever start anything. So I just wanted to make this video, be sure that I did it, and show you guys how I make that vision board, because I think it is so important to look at that vision board every single day and make sure your goals are very clear. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Be sure to like it if it helped you in any way or if you enjoyed watching it, and be sure to subscribe to my channel so you never miss another video. Again, I'm trying to upload them every single week. I'm not going to make an exact date like every Mondays or something yet, but it's around every Sunday, Monday that I will be uploading a new video, and I thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time.